You want to use two accounts of the same app on your Samsung phone? In this video, I will show you how to clone or duplicate apps on Samsung devices so you can use two accounts on one phone step by step. Using the built-in dual messenger feature on Samsung One UI, you can easily run two separate accounts for apps like social media or messaging apps. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to go to settings here of Samsung app or Samsung phone. Then here in this page, as you see, we're scrolling down until you find this page called Advanced Features. So you will tap on Advanced Features, as you see here. Then in this page, you are scrolling down until you find here Dual Messenger. Sign in to a second account in your favorite social apps. So you will tap here. And then here in this page you will find available apps. So the available apps that I have is WhatsApp and Snapchat. You can choose any account that you want to duplicate or clone. For example, let's return to the first page here. I have this one Snapchat app, as you see, the original version. So when you go here and you click on this sign to enable and you click on install, you will find here confirm, as you see. Then we click here use separate contacts list and you will click here on, and then we'll wait a moment to select your contacts. For example, let's choose just one here. You will click on done, and then we click, or we will wait a moment until this is turned on. And when we will end with this, you will find your account snapshots are installed, the second version. Let's see it. As you see here, this is the original version and this is the second version that we installed. So you can enter to it and create another or a new account in the same phone. As you see here, you can choose another account, and here I have already an account in this original app, as you see here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.